Did you know that a simple kitchen spice could be secretly affecting your health? Fenugreek, known as Methi in South Asia, has been used for thousands of years in cooking and medicine. But behind its benefits, fenugreek hides some serious side effects that most people never talk about. Today, we are going to reveal everything you need to know before consuming fenugreek. The first side effect is digestive problems. Fenugreek contains a high amount of fiber, which can be hard for the stomach to process. Many people experience bloating, gas, stomach cramps, and diarrhea after eating fenugreek in large amounts. If you already have a sensitive stomach, fenugreek can make things much worse. The second side effect will shock you. After regularly consuming fenugreek, your sweat, urine, and even your breath may start to smell like maple syrup. This happens because fenugreek contains a compound called sotalone, which passes through your body and changes your body odor. It is completely harmless, but very surprising if you do not know about it. The third side effect is dangerous for diabetic patients. Fenugreek naturally lowers blood sugar levels in the body. If you are already taking diabetes medication, combining it with fenugreek can drop your blood sugar to dangerously low levels. Always consult your doctor before adding fenugreek supplements to your routine. The fourth side effect involves blood pressure. Fenugreek has been shown to lower blood pressure in some people. If you are already on blood pressure medication, this combination can cause your pressure to drop too low. Symptoms like dizziness, weakness, and fainting can follow. The fifth side effect is extremely important for pregnant women. Fenugreek can stimulate uterine contractions in pregnant women. Taking fenugreek supplements during pregnancy can lead to early labor or even miscarriage. Pregnant women must completely avoid fenugreek in supplement form. The sixth side effect is allergic reactions. Some people are allergic to fenugreek without even knowing it. Reactions can include skin rashes, itching, swelling of the face or throat, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing. If you notice any of these symptoms, stop using fenugreek immediately and seek medical help. The seventh side effect affects people on blood thinners. Fenugreek has natural blood thinning properties. If you are taking medications like warfarin or aspirin, fenugreek can increase your risk of internal bleeding. This is a life-threatening combination that most people are completely unaware of. The eighth side effect surprises many men. Studies suggest that very high doses of fenugreek over a long period can reduce testosterone levels in men. This can lead to decreased libido, fatigue, and hormonal imbalance. Moderation is extremely important when it comes to fenugreek consumption. The ninth side effect affects breastfeeding mothers and their babies. Many women use fenugreek to boost breast milk production, and it often works. However, fenugreek can also cause colic, stomach upset, and unusual odor in the nursing baby. Always talk to your doctor before using fenugreek while breastfeeding. The 10th and most important thing to remember is this. Fenugreek is natural, but natural does not always mean safe for everyone. The right dose, your medical history, and your current medications all play a huge role. Before adding any supplement to your life, always consult a qualified doctor. If you found this information useful, please like this video and share it with someone who needs to know. Follow our channel for more important health facts that could change your life.